Insurance companies love to tell you how high-tech they've become. They talk about their apps, their digital portals, their real-time claim updates. But the newest data from J.D. Power says something very different. Insurers only provide adequate digital updates 22% of the time. And when those delays always seem to benefit the insurer financially, you have to ask, are these delays accidental, or are they part of something bigger? Hey everybody, welcome back to the Airing of Grievances. My name is Eric Raymer, and I want to start with a new Repair-Driven News article which summarizes the 2025 J.D. Power U.S. Claims Digital Experience Study. Here are the big takeaways from this study. Number one, when consumers get digital updates during their claim, satisfaction apparently goes up significantly. But insurers only deliver adequate updates in about 22% of the cases, and only 36% of auto insurance customers actually receive app-based claim updates. And here's the kicker. If the digital experience is poor or inconsistent, 52% of those customers are likely to leave their insurer. If it's excellent, only 4% consider leaving. This is important because it shows two things. Number one, digital tools have the ability to work. But number two, insurers aren't using them well. So the real question becomes, why not? Think about the claims process for a moment. Customers want clarity, they want transparency, they want updates. Yet the study shows that most insurers aren't giving people the very thing that drives satisfaction. And here's where my experience in this industry comes in. For decades, we've seen a consistent pattern. Delays in communication, delays in approvals, delays in supplements, delays in returning emails, and yes, sometimes delays that magically disappear when a customer agrees to use a shop that's on the insurer's preferred list. Right now, as I record this, we're working with an insurer who takes days to respond to simple emails, days to address a supplement, and when the response finally comes through, we only get half the information. Half answers, half clarifications, half documents, which forces us to start the process over. Again, and again, and again. Every time that clock resets, our guest gets more frustrated. And let me tell you, this is not a technical issue. This isn't an app glitch. This isn't someone forgetting. It's a pattern, and it's a predictable one. And here's who that pattern helps. It helps the insurer. Because a frustrated customer is more likely to say, fine, just send me to the shop that can get this done. And at that exact moment, the insurer has a solution waiting. Their preferred shop, the place where they, the insurer, saves money. So what happens when a shop refuses to take shortcuts? Delays mysteriously appear. Emails slow down. Supplements sit in inboxes, and communication trickles. Consumers think that the shop is slow, but in reality, we're just waiting on the insurer, and the insurer is waiting on nothing. At some point, we need to consider whether the delays aren't just a nuisance, but a tactic. Let's look at that study again. Insurers believe that digital tools increase satisfaction. They know that transparency is good for consumers. They know that updates reduce frustration, and they know that communication builds trust. Yet, 22%. That's all they achieve. Not because the technology is bad, not because consumers don't want it, not because the process is too complicated. Digital communication reduces confusion. At least that's the way it should be. It reduces the phone calls. It reduces repeat work. It reduces complaints. It reduces delays. Digital tools remove their leverage. Here's how you can protect yourself from the communication fog. Number one, document everything. Dates, times, emails. Take screenshots. It matters. Number 2, if your app stops updating, say something. Don't assume that the system is slow. Sometimes the system is silent. Number 3, never accept that delays are automatically your shop's fault. Your shop can't move without the insurer approval, and so it's a two-way street. Number 4, choose the shop that works the best for you, and they work for you, not your insurer. You have the right to pick anyone you want. And number 5, ask your shop to explain the difference between OEM and non-OEM repairs. When you understand the difference, the insurer's steering becomes easier to spot. Digital tools should, in theory, make the claims process simpler, transparent, and stress-free. But when updates don't show up, when communication drags, when approval takes ages, when apps fall silent, you have every right to wonder whether it's just poor performance or whether the delay is strategic. Your safety matters, your repair matters, and your time matters. Don't let a digital delay push you into a decision that benefits the insurer but then hurts you. Choose quality, choose transparency, and choose a shop that advocates for you, not the insurance company. I hope this has been helpful for you today. It's just a short one. Rob will be back again next week, I believe. But until then, can I just say, happy Saturday. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you again right back here next Saturday.